Cochinita Pibil, the best tacos ever.
It is a slow roasted pork, nothing fancy, just happens to be my favorite. And I order it with a tequila and lime, and honestly, that is the best it's ever been.
Look at that. The best ever, guys. Please try our amazing beef in the middle. Unbelievable. Look at that. Cochinita Pibil, the ultimate recipe. Not so difficult, but really an iconic dish of the Mexican cuisine. What we need, the most important ingredient is the achiote. Here we have it in paste. You can buy a paste or you can buy the grain and make your own paste, but my suggestion is buy the paste. We will use 2 orange. We squeeze it before and after we drop it in, and the juice of 1 lime, plus we drop it in. Cumin powder, ½ spoon, espazote. It's an aromatic herbs mostly used in Mexico in the central and south community. You can find in every Mexican grocery, fresh or dry like this. Give an unbelievable and particular flavor. Espazote, 1 spoon. Mexican oregano, 1 full spoon. Don't buy the Italian because don't have the same flavor. Cinnamon, 1 stick. Cinnamon stick is really important in this dish. Cloves. I'd like to add a little bit of guajillo pepper. Not necessary, but give you a touch. Seed off. 1 spoon of coriander seed and vinegar. I will use ½ cup and ½ garlic. I will use 1 pork stock to increase the flavor and 1 chicken stock to balance. Banana leaf. We need the banana leaf to cover the meat when we cook it, in order to preserve all the juice, all the flavor, and increase extra flavor. For the meat, of course, the name is everything cochinita is pork. I will use sliced pork belly, 1 kilo, pork spare ribs, another kilo, and beautiful piece of pork belly skin on with 40% of fat. And that's it. The most important is marinate the meat with the achiote. We will take this achiote paste that is around 150 gram. We blend it with 1 orange juice and the juice of 1 lime. When we get this liquid, we just massage the meat with it. We reserve in the fridge for at least 1-2 hours. If you can, overnight, much better. Our meat is well rested. Now it's time to cook. Pressure cooker again, link in bio. I bought it in Amazon. It saves a lot of time because you can spend 4-5 hours or 2 hours and that's it. Now we cover everything with our banana leaf and ready to cook. 2 hours. In the meantime, we are waiting for the cochinita to be done. We do our homemade guacamole. Homemade guacamole. We need an amazing accessory, I got my mortar. This is from Mexico. We will do our guacamole with that. What we need: 2 avocado, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 garlic cloves, 2 tomato, 2 lime, and fresh coriander. I love coriander. And let's start opening our avocado. You cut it in half and you twist, and that's it. After, what we do: remove the seed, take the spoon and remove the inside. This is the stone or the seed of the avocado. One of the most important ingredients for our guacamole to preserve the color is the one natural preserving color ever. The best way to squeeze the lime: don't cut it in half, like that, maintaining the center intact. Why? Like this, we are sure we squeeze just one time the lime, removing all the juice, and don't press more. When you press more, what's up? The oil from the skin will go inside. That means what's up? We add few bitterness from the skin to our guacamole, and we don't want it. Or if you want, you can buy this. Yeah, I will put the link in bio. Is what the Mexican use to squeeze the lime. We'll cut the final part like this, and after in half. Like this, you end up with something like that. You have enough pressure up to release in one time all your juice. And that's it. We test the base. And we go with the rest. Tomato. What I want just the skin. We remove the inside to end up with this. And the same small cube we will do with the onion, and the small garlic we just chop it. Actually, what we create is what the Mexicans call pico de gallo or ensalada mexicana. That is tomato, onion, a pinch of garlic, coriander, and after, of course, lime and olive oil that we add already to the guacamole. We combine both preparation, and this is our beautiful guacamole. Salt, of course, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. Salt to taste. Pepper, same story. Olive oil. No? Be generous with the olive oil. I'm Italian, I love it. Taste it. Homemade guacamole is the best. Look at that. It's amazing. Perfect. Two important things. Of course, there is no good tacos without a fresh, homemade, and nice tortilla that we did when we did the video of the birria. I will put the link in bio. But there is not a perfect tacos without a beautiful salsa. In this case, we will do my version of what they call Salsa Borracha. Salsa Borracha is a spicy sauce made with tomato, one normal tomato or ají tomato, how they call it in Mexico, tomatillo. That is the green tomato from Mexico. You can find it in the store fresh, otherwise just use normal tomato. Onion, this is the leftover onion from the guacamole. Garlic, I will use just 2 cloves. You can use dry chili like the guajillo, the arbol, the cascabel, the chipotle, or you can use the fresh one. In this case, I will use 4 jalapeno, 1 small habanero like this is enough because it's extremely hot. I will add a little bit of chicken stock to this flavor. Of course, salt and pepper, coriander and lime. We just take our pan and we put all the ingredients except the lime and the coriander. What we wanna toast them. When you toast the chili, the tomato, the onion, you enhance the flavor. And you see that? This is what you need. The jalapeno. After that, we put in the blender. We blend everything with a little bit of water. We add a little bit of our chicken stock, salt, pepper, coriander, squeeze of lime, and sauce ready. That's it, and now we need to taste it. Wow, the combination of the spicy with the touch of coriander, lime, the chicken stock that you don't feel it, but you say, what is this? It's amazing. And you know, the jalapeno is spicy but mild. When you get the habanero at the end, full your mouth. Amazing. We did the sauce, the tortilla we make it last time. Cochinita is on the way. We need an extra element. That is what the Spanish or Mexican call Cebolla Encurtida. That is nothing else than pickled onions. Now, there are 3,000 recipes, but I prefer this one because you still feel the onion is fresh, but you get this pickle flavor that actually clean you the mouth from the pork and the fat of the cochinilla. A sliced onion, 2 garlic cloves. The leftover of the lime is 2 pieces of lime, half spoon of coriander seeds, half spoon of green pepper, 1 star anise, a little bit of olive oil, salt, of course, I think 1 full spoon. There are people putting sugar. I don't like it, but if you want, you can use it. There are people even combine sugar, all the ingredients, cook them to dissolve, increase the flavor. I don't do it. We fill everything with our vinegar. I use white wine vinegar. If you wanna use red wine vinegar, no problem at all. What we do now, we cover this and we keep in the fridge overnight, a few hours, till all the rest is ready. Timer is over, time to show you the result. Cochinita is one of my favorite. Ta-da! Amazing flavor, you cannot smell it. The consistency of the meat. Let's test 1 pieces. Unbelievable. Now what we do? We separate this beautiful meat from the jus. We shred it a little bit and ready for our tacos. We got our cochinita. Guacamole, you remember, didn't lose the color for the seeds. Onion, finally ready. You see, they change lightly the color, but no extreme. Coriander, extra lime, time to build our tacos. Tortilla, homemade. We take the meat, we take the tortilla, we put it right in the middle. Classical way, onion, coriander, and some of our beautiful sauce. Cochinita Pibil, the best tacos ever. Amazing flavor, one of the best. The best ever, guys. Please try. I like it pure. If you want, you can add some guacamole, wherever you want. Our amazing beef in the middle, I suggest you onion, our spicy sauce, coriander, and a squeeze of lime. The best Cochinita Pibil ever. Unbelievable. Cochinita Pibil, the best tacos ever.
It is a slow roasted pork. Nothing fancy, just happens to be my favorite. And I order it with a tequila and lime. And honestly, that is the best it's ever been. Anywhere. In fact, it's too good. It is so good that when I'm finished with it, I'll pay my check, walk straight into the kitchen, and shoot the cook.